All right, here we go. Danny's back. The 0-1 pitch. Got him. His first strikeout back in the league. All right, Kellen's first plate appearance of his career. Got him. Going bottom 1-0. And he walks the leadoff man from Harper. Grounded. That's a fair ball. And he slips. Tanner makes the play. And there's a man on second with one out. Brady will come to the plate. Walked him. First and second now. 0-1 here. Kellen makes a play, and he will step on third. Going top 2, 0-0. Harper didn't give up a run. Put it back in a bit. Full count here. Got him. 1 down. Yes. And that one is past Quinn. It's a base hit. First hit of the game. Can do it after. Got him. 1-0 here. That one is right to T-Kill. Makes the play. 1 down.
Good swing.
Full count. That one is driven to deep right field. It's gone. 1-0 Cowboys. His first of the season. Brady Ambule with a nuke.
We have to check the records last.
No. So we miss. All right, going top 3. Cowboys can get 2 outs and they win the game. That one is driven. It's gone. It's a tied game. Harper is first of the year. It ties up the game. 1-1 in the top of the third.
Hey, put us down. Bring us back in. Let's go.
1-1 here.
Personal light. Personal light.
Grounded.
Good take.
To Danny. Makes a play. Throws it. Got him. What a play. Oh, my goodness. 1 out.
Try to kill.
Grounds it. That is a fair ball.
Beat it out. Beat it out. Oh, yeah.
Base rip. Here's the pitch. Oh, walked him. Grounds it. Quinn is there. He'll step on third, and the Cowboys can walk it off here in the bottom of the third. That's what I just said. Walked him. Winning run on first now. Walked him. First and second now. Winning run on second base. Nobody out here. That one is up. Kellen's camped under it, and he makes a play. Quinn will come to the plate now. 1-1 here. Swing and a miss. He gets out of it. And we're going to extras. Full count. Got him. 1 down. 1. Got him.
Wow.
Cowboys can score a run and win it right here. Full count. And that one's way up the middle. And now the winning run to the first base. That one's up. Harper's camped under it. Got him. That one is up. Deep. Gone. And the Cowboys walk it off. 3-1. They win game 1. And they're above 500 at 4-3. It's a whole new team.
The new era.
It's a new era.
Cowboys are back.
All right. Oh, walked him. Walked him. No, Harper will not swing. And they're going to bring Quinn into the game. After the good game 2 performance, they're going to stick with him. Kellen will come to the plate with the bases loaded now. 0-1. Got him. 1 down. Got him. Another sword. Going bottom one, 0-0. Full count. Walked him. Leadoff man on. 2-0. Walked him. First and second now. Got him. One down. Walked him. They're loaded now for Quinn Miller. Swing and a miss, and he gets out of it. Going to the second inning. Nothing. Got him. Walked him. Harper is on base. Got him. Going to the bottom two, 0-0. Got him. One down. Big AB here. Grounds it up the middle. Sprinting to first. Got him. Very close play, but he's out. And we're going to the third with no score.
Play three inning games.
Walked him.
We already played
Got him. One down. Walk. Yeah, it's walk. Get to the plate now. That's up the middle. Danny bobbles it. Gets him out at second. What a play.
Oh my God.
Going to the bottom of the third. It's 0-0. Low. Walked him. Got him. That's painted. Grounded. That's a base hit. Quinn's going to hold up at second. Harper will field it. Quinn will come to the plate with the winning run on second base. Full count pitch. Got him. We're going to extras again. Got him. One down. Full count. Got him. Cowboys can walk it off once again right here. Walked him. Winning run on first base. Still nobody out. Walked him. Quinn to the plate with the winning run on second base. Grounded to Kellen. He's going to go for the play at first. Gets him out. But the runners advance. And they'll hold up there. Brady to the plate. Second and third. One out. Here we go. Speed on third base and second base. Grounded to T-Kill.
Yes!
And he scores! The Cowboys have swept the Monkeys for the second year in a row. And they're 6-3. Unbelievable. It's a new era of Cowboys wiffle ball.